The U.S. Navy's new supercarrier continues to face major problems that will delay its delivery to the fleet by at least 3 months as the service bets big on the troubled ship, Navy officials said Tuesday. Following testing and evaluation with the fleet, the USS Gerald R. Ford last July began maintenance and upgrades at Newport News Shipbuilding in Virginia, with the expectation that the aircraft carrier would return this summer. The Ford is now set to spend at least another 3 months in dry dock because of unforeseen problems with its nuclear power plant, weapons elevators, and other areas, USNI News first reported on Tuesday, citing testimony by Navy officials before a House Armed Services Committee subcommittee. October right now is our best estimate, James Schertz, the Assistant Secretary of the Navy for Research, Development, and Acquisition, told the committee, according to USNI News. The weapons elevators, of which the Ford has only 2 of the necessary 11, have long been an issue, but the propulsion problem is reportedly less understood. Problems with the ship's main turbine generators, which use steam from the 2 onboard nuclear reactors to generate electricity for its 4 propeller shafts, appear more serious than initially indicated at sea trials, the report said. Citing sources familiar with the extent of the repairs, USNI News said 2 of the main turbine generators needed unanticipated and extensive overhauls. The issue appeared last May, when the ship was forced to return to port early. The ship experienced a propulsion system issue associated with a recent design change, requiring a return to home port for adjustments before resuming at sea testing, the service told Navy Times at the time. The war zone said that while the $13 billion Ford has experienced numerous problems with things from the arresting gear and catapults to the radar systems, the Navy is pushing ahead with purchases of this new class of carrier while proposing early retirement for an operational Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. In its fiscal 2020 budget proposal, the Navy said it planned to retire the USS Harry S. Truman 2 decades early rather than refuel the ship's nuclear cores to power it for another quarter century. The move is reportedly designed to free up billions for a block buy of 2 Ford-class carriers and investment in untested unmanned systems the service has determined necessary for future combat. As the Ford faces developmental challenges, the service is moving forward with future Ford-class carriers, the USS John F. Kennedy, the USS Enterprise, and a carrier now identified only as CVN-81, the War Zone report said. The embattled flagships are expected to play a crucial role in power projection, but setbacks have raised questions about when exactly it will be ready to do that.
That's the live button? Yes. Yeah. I don't like how that
don't have a designated point, right? Right now we're heading over here. So estimate